What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the cost of owning a boat. Gonna break it down for you step by step, and let's get going. So let's start with the purchase price. The purchase price was, wait. So I bought a boat for about $17,600, right? So $17,600 bought me this boat. Slap it on there. There we go. Something like that. Which is a pretty good price for this type of boat, but needed some upgrades. So I'm gonna go through the upgrades now. So let's start with I have a list here. Bellow repair. Okay, so I did my bellows by myself. That cost me only for material and some tools and stuff. I paid $330. That was for one motor, so it's down here somewhere. Okay, $330 for bellows. Let's see, what else did I do? $220. $220 was for this door I made. Before the door was there, it was just like a canvas type of thing you put on there, which was terrible. So I made the door, bought the glass, bought the aluminum, and put it together for about $220. So what else? What else? Rudder angle sensor. Bought from China. I think about 20 bucks. 20 for a rudder angle sensor. It's back there. Put that there. What else? Right. Oil and filters. I would say it was $220 as well. These are some approximations, but you get the picture. $220 for oil filters, 2 engines. Put it over here as well. Mid cabin. Refurbished the window. Put a carpet in. And also some vinyl on the side. I think it was about 100 bucks, something like that. 100 mid cabin. Mid cabin is down here, so there we go. What else? In the cabin, shift cable. Bought a shift cable. See that episode? Broke on me. I think it was $77. Up there. Like that. $77. What more? Alright, so now we're done with more or less the maintenance. There's a couple small things here and there, of course. Fuel for the season. I drove about 330 nautical miles. I think I fueled for about for this season. It's not over yet, but let's put it down there. $1,270 for fuel. Over here. Right, one more. What else? Okay, winter cover. Guys, you have been following me, you know I did a lot of my videos under the winter cover. So the winter cover with also things that put the boat on during winter. It's not a trailer, it's like wood stuff. And also a frame for the winter cover. 330 winter cover. And what else? Yeah, the location where I have the boat during the winter was approximately also 330. This is a society like a thing, so it's pretty cheap. You pay for a membership and then you pay for lifting the boat up, and also for the winter location. So good. Marina summer, where I'm right now, was 770 for the marina for the season. Includes, you know, you have showers and bathrooms and waste management and all that, so pretty good. Insurance, so I pay about $66 a month for insurance, so that leaves me at $792 in insurance. What else? Yeah, Swedish Rescue, SSRS, Swedish Sea Rescue Society. I pay them about $7 a month. That will be 88 bucks. What they do is help you a lot. So what they do is help you in case you have like fuel starvation. Something happens with your boat, or you run ashore, or run aground, or something. Just give them a call and they will come and help you, which is excellent. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that later, because I want to give them a shout out, you know. Alright, so got a few posts here and there. These are right mid cabin. A little bit there. I forgot, yeah. Forgot one thing. That would be $990 US dollars. That is for sewing machine and material, canvas, and zippers, windows, everything to make my own canvas. So for this boat was $990. Doing it myself, pretty happy with that. So that's about it. So if you calculate all that, total cost of $5,550 for what I've been doing with this boat. That would be maintenance, upgrades, and also cruising around, having a good time. And with a purchase price of $17,600 plus $5,550 for maintenance and cruising. Pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think I can actually sell this boat. The market price is higher than I paid for the boat, plus what I spent on upgrades and cruising with the boat, and also paying for marinas and such. So I'm still on plus. Happy with that. Good boat. So pretty good. Alright guys, that sums it up, what I spent on my used boat for the first year of ownership. I hope it was useful for you guys. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe and like this video. Hit the notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you in the next one.